So I'll be installing the angel eyes or the halo light bulb down there. It's connected to here. Looking at the inside, it looks like this is how you should. This is how it looks like. Like this one should be here, and this notch over here, and the notch down here. So it should be like this. Yep. This one should align that way. So if you look at that, this notch over here, yep, this one should align with this ridge over here, and then you can push it. So this is what I used, Permatex. And if you look at this, yep, this one has a shrink wrap in it, and then this one you don't need to. This is like a very long wire with no insulation, so I just put electrical tape. I don't think it's better to use liquid tape on this one. Same thing with the halo lights. So instead of our TV, I just like put that one in there, and then I remove the zip tie that bundles them together. And I also like put in some liquid tape on the areas near the terminals. They won't cross each other, but yeah, it's better to put liquid tape there too. Yep, so far so good. I let it cure. I think Permatex says 4 hours before use, so I'm gonna let it cure for a while. Put the bulb in. I took it out. Okay, got the bulb back in, and I'm gonna close this one. This cap, okay, all buttoned up. So putting back the headlights now. And the funny thing is, you actually need to take out these 2 screws to remove the headlight. This one you don't really need to. This is very rigid, so there's no point in taking this out. This one you need. And then those 2, yep, they just the plastic just slide in the base of the headlights. So yep, only one, 2, 3 for this one. Yeah, this one is, I don't know, it's missing. Yeah, I need to clean my headlights, but this one is definitely better than the other one. I'm having to clean it. This is yellowish. Yep. That one is really white.